Hey there, Honors Algebra. Hope you guys had a great long weekend. Just gonna go over the stuff that we need to get done for this week. We're gonna dive into geometric sequences, which is just kind of like an extension of exponential functions, which is what we covered last week. And then we're going to look at some recursion formulas or recursive formulas. It sounds scarier than it is. I broke it down. Um, I had to split up the videos this week into like three different parts, but it's not too bad, I promise. So you'll have to do the notes. There's gonna be another Alex assignment, and then just submit your work. And that's it for the 7.7 geometric sequences and the 7.8 recursive formula. And then I do have a joke for you today. I did this last year and I want to start doing it again. It's kind of like I like dad jokes, so here it is. How do you tell if a vampire is sick? How do you tell if a vampire is sick? By how much he is coughing. Get it? Because they sleep in coffins and like coffin like ha ha. So anyway, that's my corny joke for the week. If you need me, let me know. I can help you. We can meet on Teams. You can shoot me screenshots, however you want to do it. I'm here to help you guys. So have a great week, and I will see you next week.